Statins are a group of drugs that is used to decrease the lipid profile in our body. The mode of action of statin is CMG reductase inhibitor. That is an enzyme that is used in the cholesterol metabolism. To control this, by controlling this, which is a rate limiting state of cholesterol metabolism, we can able to control the cholesterol level in a person's body. The complication associated with increased cholesterol level is stroke, which can lead to the death, heart attack, ischemic heart disease, myocardial infarction, angina, peripheral vascular disease. In the peripheral vascular disease, we have following things: retinopathy, vasculopathy, nephropathy. Moving towards the next slide, cholesterol. Cholesterol is used to build up cell membrane of our body cells. The cholesterol is derived from dietary food, lipid food, for example, high cholesterol meat, things that are derived from the milk derivatives like cheese, butter, yogurt. These are all milk itself. These all lead to the cholesterol. Used to build up cell membrane senses. The other function of cholesterol in our body is to build up steroid hormones that are located upon the suprarenal glands. Vitamin D that is produced by or activated by the hydroxylase alpha 1 enzyme that is present in the kidney. Bile acid that are stored in the gallbladder. Most of amount of the cholesterol is stored in the gallbladder in the form of bile salts and bile acids. The cholesterol is absorbed from our body in small intestine. The and phospholipids that are basic formation of membrane of cell membrane in chylomicron, the subunit or least subunit of cholesterol is chylomicrons that are useful in the metabolism of our body. Well, oh yes, there are different types of cholesterol in our body. The chylomicron is the least subunit. VLDL, very low density lipids or lipoproteins are very dangerous to our body. They can be lowered by walking or taking good diet. Brown fats. Other is low density lipoprotein. The further one is high density lipoprotein. That is a good type of lipoprotein that is more present in the athlete persons. That the very low density lipoprotein can be converted into high density lipoprotein by working or controlling the dietary products. The cholesterol is released in the blood. More amount of cholesterol is whenever the more amount of cholesterol in the body, it dissolves or rest into the or accumulate into the vessels. For example, in aorta, in the right heart artery, right coronary artery, left coronary artery, that leads to the stroke or heart attack. This can only be resolved by doing the angioplasty onwards. Statin is a group of drugs. The further analog in these drugs are simvastatin, lovastatin, parastatin, atorvastatin, rovastatin. The rovastatin is inhibited in Pakistan because it is a cardiotoxic drug. The side effects of using statins in our medical practice is serious myalgias, muscular pain, because it does the it interchange or the metabolism of muscles. Rhabdomyolysis, and the rhabdomyolysis can be caused due to the statin, that the rhabdomyolysis can be manifested by blood in urine. Hepatotoxic, hepatotoxic. The drug that statin use can be lead to the hepatotoxic, for example, autoimmune hepatitis, non-viral hepatitis. Other than that, teratogenica cannot be given in pregnancy in the first trimester, can lead to the congenital problems. The biggest side effect of statins is GIT symptom disturbance.